everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. So this is the suitcase that I always take with me everywhere I go, and pretty soon I'm gonna upgrade to something different, but for now I'm gonna actually keep this one. It was actually 9 p.m. that I was filming this, and that is the ticket to Wisconsin Dells that we will be going to. I'll just show you a little bit of it, or maybe all of it. So I'm actually just pulling out one of them to actually show you guys. So that's Mount Olympus, Wisconsin Dells. If you guys haven't been there, let me know how you guys like it, because I've never been there before. But this will be the first time I'm going, so I'm pretty excited. We're only going to one day. And this is my egg whitening cream for my face. It was there for my last trip, and just some extra pictures that someone took photos of my son. And those are my pills. I actually put Tylenol ibuprofen in there. That's just a good tip or hack. And then just socks that I probably just stuffed it in there. Just extra photos again. And then that is my 6-month-old baby's hat. Okay, and then going on to the second one, there's only like an umbrella. And I laid it flat so I can show you the cute bags that I always use. I love these. I got these from Marshalls, and I'm showing you the other side. And this one's just my underwear umbrella. I'm not going to show that. So, but then I will show you what I am bringing. And there's a big, medium, and small. I got these on sale, so I could have gotten all three, but I only bought one at that time. And they were on sale for $7.99, but original price was $12.99. And then we're gonna move on ahead to the clothes. So that is my tennis shoe that I bought for the last trip, and I didn't even wear it. I'm actually gonna put that on for my swimsuit, and then just 2 tank tops. And then the next item is 2 sweaters in case it gets cold, and my big long sweater. These are t-shirts that I got from San Francisco in the Bay Area, and that is my swimsuit. I got that from I believe it was Marshalls. It was so pretty, and these are all from no, actually I got it from TJ Maxx. And then this is just a dress I got as well at San Francisco. It's just like a hooded dress, and I'm excited about wearing that too as well. And then as you can see here, I forgot to include this. So that is just my body spray, and this is for my face because we're going to be outside most of the time. And then my son and daughter gets really motion sickness. That's for my hair, and lotion, and another motion sickness, so I actually got 2. And then just watch how I put them all inside my luggage. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm just putting folding everything inside, and I'm putting my shoe on the other side, and maybe probably put my sandal on the other side. I have 2 extra pairs of sandal, and I'm just putting everything where it's easy accessible, because these are the items I usually go to first before maybe probably here and there after putting on makeup. And then I love to fold everything. I was actually in a rush, and my baby was actually sleeping, and then I had to go pick up my son from work, and then that's why I was in a rush. So I just folded it really, really fast, and it was not late, but it was around 9 p.m. and I didn't want to wake up my baby, so that's why as you can see, he's moving over there while the light was on, and then I'm just folding each and every one of them. I'll probably refix it too. I forgot to mention that I forgot my shorts and my jeans and all that stuff, so I just realized that I forgot that, so I would definitely just bring it in case we're wondering. And I believe that's the only short that I have, which I finally just remembered. It would be a hassle if I forgot to bring something like that. But yeah, so I'm actually just folding everything, trying to pack everything inside the cubes, and I love these, and they fit perfectly fine with my suitcase. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for watching my pack with me. I hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again in my next video.